If you want to hard reset your OPPO Reno 15 with the help of recovery mode, then first of all we need to restart our phone. So we're gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. There we go. And then we have to slide up in order to restart the phone. However, once you restart, you want to press and hold the volume down immediately after. And just keep holding, I mean, the volume down button all the time until you finally open the recovery mode. Now this might take even like 10-15 seconds before that happens, maybe even more, but you have to patiently wait for the recovery mode to appear. And first you will see the language selection, just like you can see over here. So once you open the language selection, of course we can choose English. Over here we have the format data option, so you want to tap on that. And then we have to we have to enter the code that is visible over here. So you want to provide it over here, enter it over here, and then you will perform the hard reset of the device. In case you go back to this main page of the recovery mode, then of course you can choose the reboot device option so that you restart your phone and you go back to the normal mode, and after the factory reset you will see the initial configuration again. Leave a like and subscribe.